So if you're a student in Ghana and also lazy, these are 3 ways that you can make money with just your phone. Yes, you can make some extra couple of cedis with just your phone. Now the first way is data reselling. If you have been seeing people with all these flyers, buy your data, buy data from this side, this is making a lot of money for students and even people who are not students. So data reselling is definitely one of the side hustles that you have to check out. Actually, I did this myself almost February, and I also saw the result. Within 1 month I made a profit of more than 300 cedis. So this is a good side hustle for you that you can do. There are many sites that you can go to and become an agent there. Most of the times you have to pay something small to become an agent on the platform before you can start reselling data, and I've got you. I'll make a full video detailing how you can register, how you can start selling data, the strategy that I use to sell data, and who you can sell the data to make money. And I'll make a full video on that on this same channel. So if you're watching me right now, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like the video. If this is your first time here, I'm Emmanuel, and on this channel I share with you money making updates just like this one. And if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. So there are 2 ways to go about this. The first one is simply registering for the platform yourself. So most of these platforms you can get 1 gigabyte of data for about 4 cedis, 50 pesos upwards. So you become a member of the platform yourself, and anytime someone wants to buy data, you can tell them that the data price is 6 cedis. You can get them 1 gigabyte for 6 cedis. And let's be honest, most of these telecommunication networks in Ghana, you can't get data bundle for 6 cedis, like 1 gigabyte for 6 cedis. So the person will be interested, and whenever the person give you 6 cedis, you have a profit of about 1 cedi 50 pesos on it, so that you can buy the data for them at a rate of 4 cedis 50 pesos. That's the first way to go. The second way is to become an agent on the platform. So on many platforms there is a way you can become an agent of the platform. So all you need to do is to share your link to the person will register for the platform themselves, and they'll be buying for themselves every day, and you'll be earning your commission on the purchase platform if you actually make a sale. So the second side hustle is a side hustle that I've talked about, and I've even made a video about it on this channel. It's called reselling. Reselling simply means selling something for somebody and getting a commission on it. This is just like the data reselling, but this one, it involves product. So there are some platforms that you can do reselling on, like Tendo, which I've made a full video on it on this channel. So I'll put a link to that in the description and also the comment section. You can become a reseller for other people, and even in person you can become a reseller for a product that you actually use or love. Whenever you get someone to buy the product, you get a commission on it. And if you want to do this with just your phone on your own, you can sign up for apps just like Tendo, so that you can become a reseller. As I said, I have the full video link in the description of this one. And the third way to make money as a student, this can become your side hustle, is doing online surveys. Yes, online surveys and playing games and all of this. Now there are many apps which are available in Ghana that you can actually try them for yourself, and you can make money from it, because I've done it and I've been making some couple of amount from these apps. You can check them out. Many of these apps, they pay small, some don't even pay at all. That is why you have to subscribe to the channel, because any of the apps that I get, I will share them with you. Now example of this app is Goodwall, which I made a video about it. They pay in dollars, and the withdrawal is simple. They give you tax to do on the platform, and this tax, actually on Goodwall, these tax help our environment, because they are mostly concerned about environment. And big organizations like UNICEF and all these big organizations constantly do collaborations with them. So on this platform you can get tax. Whenever you do them, you get paid, and you can withdraw it to your wallet. And if you want me to make videos on more of these apps, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that I can get them whenever I make it. And I have other channels too right now. I have a forex trading channel, and I also have a channel which I'll be sharing my journey into YouTube, how you can become a content creator just like me, and also earn from it every single month.